Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka annual sports meet jong ka St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Umden. Kabala long ha ka arpo trek ulber arja punrio ha madan Umden. Kala poisya ka bakut ha pedeng ka Shongshit ha ka bagi Khynah Skul na ki house baper. Kila peniye ki sab yele ka jongki ha ki Jingïakob baper. Kaba Kham pen Shongshit shushu ya kani ka lumpung yele kai. Kadai ka Jingïakob Ñiah bulokad. Lani ka kali Dieng kabalong ka way na ki Jingïakob kaba Kham Phylla na ki sports meet baju pelong da ki Skul. Ya kani ka lumpung yele kai la penha perda do UMLA ka nongpo. Uba Meral Bonds im ubala long kum ukongsan. Ha ringkat ka jedon lang Nikhil Singh ubadai chief manager ka SBI nongpo ubala long kum usembut kongsan principal jong ka Skul father ham perwa tingkan vice principal father Thomas Marang bat kiwe kibala sam ya ki khusnam shaki nongjob ha ki jile kai baper.
Hello, take this opportunity to announce that the annual sports meet of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School 2026 closed.
Huge round of applause. Thank you, dear sir, chief guest. Second turn. And the third also the blue house. Congratulations to the winners.
Nak bala.
Today's best athletes. Thank you so much, sir, for honoring our students. Now, Sianti Lingdo, Yellow House, first, second, Cheerful Bay. The teacher in charge, please listen carefully. In under 9, the best from the tug of war final of boys. Kindly both the team be ready. From under 9 category is Yahunang Singh.
At the annual sports meet, Jongka St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Haganigasgi. Ngadap yung sokumen ka bakraw ba ni iya ki events, ki discipline, ki batumay kamtam, ya ka wooden car race, lani ka kitin sinong ka chum iya ba ikot ka chong motor ding. Kadai ka ba laslam ngam jui isu kini ki sinong kini ki dong, ba hagi competition kamtam ngam ju kami isu, ni mereka sengi ngai iya ka competition. Kaba penkan mau, ya kipor, kaba mensua, kiporlok, kipor bengiju, Shong ya gitu ki motor ding, mau bawang biye ni, hagipor kibarang gila kai, kipor barang Khynah. I cannot imagine that the organizer, the teachers within this school, that you could imagine to encourage students that this discipline will be one of the most memorable discipline today. Even me, I had a privilege to sit on that car, and I have requested my media friends to give me the special photo so that I can frame it properly, keep in a drawing room so that I will remember in days to come. Kalau kaya kebasal tenan, bani ia kisap jong ki Khynah Skul, nadu ki badang red, hadu ki kelas 12, ki balai simbenta sirhem hagane ke sports meet ke jong pi hagane ke segi. Dear student, you should remember, as one of the famous thinker of our country have said, let me quote the quotation of Swami Vivekananda: arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal, unquote. This is a very inspiring words in which each and every student, we should remember that we should arise, awake, and we should not stop until we achieve a goal. Ngidai ban yang joy, ngidai ban trishtom, ban gim dai ban sometime. Adu pengin dapoi sung thong jong Jingïakob. Namar kata, haga Jingïakob sports, don berjob, don berem, don beyok gold medal, don beyok silver, don beyok bronze. And at the end of the day, idei baro kinong job. Kabukongsan kalau ngajing simentai ke jongpi, itanan ban pej, yagi Khynah Skul. Bisa mentah-mentah ke ni kah mas drill ke bapidan, ke jeng renti, ke jeng itenan, ke disiplin, karena ke penkemen ha bagi pay. Kabukongsan hagi sports event ki bakum kini, ke de ke jeng isim mentah ke jeng pi. Itenan pan i bagi Khynah mentah, ki Khynah Skul, himle ranchu, kilawan sakmat, kidon ki bisim mentah, hagi jeng ruai, ki jeng syar, hagi events, ki disiplin, ki prepare, bat nga kentu, ya phi ba phinang trishtom, ba phinang la ban kiu syafrang syakamat hagi jinglia kai gi jongki wan nam kelet ban pentikina bagi kimi gi pa gi jongki gi pha gi skul nagabanta ba pinio e gi jingnang gi jingstan gi jinglia kai galong ba kongsan dengi di wenang ban pedon kam ya kapor Idon pedeng jungi ki Sultanat ban Ruai don pedeng jungi ki Sultanat ban Syad don pedeng jungi ki Sultanat ban Long kinong ile kai sports hagi disiplin beper
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.